Welcome to Info Spot 7 reasons why you cannot skip this nutrition. Did you know, our body cannot produce required vitamins and minerals on their own? Number 1. Our body needs the vitamins and minerals to repair the cells, tissues in blood vessels and the tooth. Remember, always do not skip this nutrient essentials in your daily diet. Number 2. Human body tissues makes up all the contents and structures of our body. Prevent your body tissues from breakdown or damaging. If your body tissues doesn't function properly, causes the deficiency of ATAXIA, retinopathy. Vitamin E rich foods such as broccoli, PAPAPAYA, fish, green leafy vegetables can stop the deficiency. Number 3. If you want your bones to become strong and attain a normal development, add vitamin D rich food, i.e., milk, meat, fish and edible oil in your normal diets. Vitamin D deficiency causes osteomalacia for adults. Number 4. Add vitamin C rich diet for strong gums and joint muscles, such as orange, lemon, guava, etc. Build strong resistance with vitamin C to escape from scurvy deficiency. Number 5. Blood clots can be dangerous to your lives. To prevent our body from blood clotting, vitamin K is mandatory, i.e., egg yolk, tomato and green vegetables. Clots that forms in the veins, arms, legs could easily move to other parts of our body. Number 6. Red blood corpuscles transports oxygen to the body tissues. Insufficient production of red blood corpuscles lead to anemia. Note, foods rich in vitamin B12 is necessary to prevent you from anemia, such as meat products. Number 7. Human eyes are made up of water, jelly and protein. The eyes receives oxygen through the aqueous. Unhealthy eyes causes night blindness. Healthy food rich in vitamin A, i.e., fish, fish oil, carrot, butter, papaya, mango is good to improve your eyesight. The only thing you can really change is yourself. Thanks for watching Info Spot. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.